The benefits of protective hairstyles. Protective hairstyles are a fundamental part of natural hair care, particularly for individuals with textured, curly, or coily hair. These styles are designed to minimize damage, prevent breakage, and promote healthier hair growth by reducing manipulation and exposure to environmental stressors. Protective hairstyles have cultural, aesthetic, and practical importance, making them a powerful tool for hair maintenance. From braids to twists, buns to wigs, and locks to weaves, these styles offer a multitude of benefits that go beyond simply looking good. Below are key benefits of protective hairstyles, explaining why they are so effective and widely used. 1. Prevents hair breakage and damage. One of the most significant benefits of protective hairstyles is their ability to reduce hair breakage. Textured hair is more fragile because of its twists and coils, which make it susceptible to breakage. Daily combing, styling, and manipulation further weaken the strands, causing split ends and damage. Protective hairstyles like braids, twists, and buns reduce the frequency of styling and tension on the hair shaft. By keeping the ends of the hair tucked away or minimized, these styles preserve the integrity of the hair and allow it to grow stronger without constant stress. 2. Promotes hair growth. Protective hairstyles support healthier hair growth by providing a stable environment for hair to thrive. Hair grows continuously, but length retention is often the biggest challenge for individuals with textured hair. Protective styles reduce manipulation and prevent the constant tugging, detangling, and combing that can lead to breakage. By securing the ends and protecting the shaft from external elements, the hair retains moisture and strength, which encourages natural growth and length retention. 3. Moisture retention. Keeping hair moisturized is critical for individuals with natural or textured hair, as this type of hair tends to dry out more quickly. Protective hairstyles help seal in moisture by minimizing exposure to environmental stressors like wind, sun, and dry air. Styles such as braids, twists, and wigs make it easier to implement moisture retention routines, such as using leave-in conditioners, oils, and creams. This moisture keeps the strands supple and resilient, preventing dryness, brittleness, and breakage over time. 4. Reduces daily maintenance and saves time. Protective styles simplify the daily hair care routine. Styling natural hair can be time-consuming due to detangling, washing, moisturizing, and shaping the hair. With protective hairstyles like braids, cornrows, wigs, or twists, much of this daily effort is eliminated. These styles can last for weeks with minimal upkeep, saving valuable time while ensuring that hair remains neat and healthy. For people with busy schedules, protective hairstyles are a convenient solution that allows them to focus on other tasks while maintaining their hair health. 5. Protects hair from environmental damage. Environmental factors like UV rays, pollution, humidity, and extreme temperatures can take a toll on hair. Sun exposure can cause dryness and color fading, while cold air makes hair more prone to breakage. Protective hairstyles act as a shield, covering the strands and reducing exposure to these harsh conditions. For example, wearing wigs or installing braids protects the natural hair underneath from direct sun exposure or harsh weather, thereby minimizing the risk of damage. If you've watched this video this far, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. 6. Versatility and creative expression. Protective hairstyles offer endless versatility, allowing individuals to experiment with various looks while keeping their hair healthy. From box braids and faux locks to wigs and cornrows, these styles can be customized in terms of length, color, texture, and pattern. This versatility allows people to express their creativity, culture, and personal style without causing harm to their natural hair. Whether it's for a professional setting, a special event, or everyday life, protective hairstyles provide a dynamic way to showcase beauty and individuality. 7. Cost-effective hair care solution. While some protective styles can involve an initial investment, such as getting braids or purchasing wigs, they ultimately save money in the long run. These styles reduce the need for frequent salon visits, styling products, or costly hair treatments. Protective hairstyles often last for weeks, which means fewer expenses for daily maintenance. For example, box braids can last 4 to 8 weeks with proper care, making them a practical and affordable option. 8. Helps transitioning hair. For individuals transitioning from chemically relaxed to natural hair, protective styles are particularly beneficial. Managing two textures, natural and relaxed, can be challenging, as the line where they meet is fragile and prone to breakage. Protective hairstyles like twists, wigs, or braids provide a seamless way to manage the hair while it grows out. These styles reduce the tension at the line of demarcation and make the transition period more manageable and less stressful. 9. Reduces heat damage. Excessive heat styling, such as flat ironing, curling, or blow drying, can cause significant damage to natural hair. Protective hairstyles eliminate the need for heat tools, giving the hair a much-needed break. Styles like buns, braids, and twists allow individuals to maintain polished looks without relying on heat. Over time, this reduces the risk of heat damage and helps preserve the hair's natural texture and health. 10. Preserves cultural heritage and identity. Protective hairstyles hold deep cultural and historical significance, particularly within African, Caribbean, and Black communities. Styles such as cornrows, locks, and braids have been passed down for generations, serving as a symbol of heritage, pride, and identity. Wearing protective hairstyles connects individuals to their roots while celebrating cultural traditions. In recent years, these styles have gained mainstream recognition, helping to challenge beauty standards and embrace the natural beauty of textured hair. 11. Boosts confidence and self-esteem. Protective hairstyles provide a polished, stylish appearance that often boosts confidence and self-esteem. Whether it's the sleek look of box braids, the elegance of a high bun, or the versatility of wigs, these styles empower individuals to embrace their natural beauty. By promoting healthier hair, protective styles give individuals the assurance that their hair is well cared for, making them feel more comfortable and confident in their appearance. In summary, protective hairstyles are more than just a practical solution for hair maintenance. They are a versatile, empowering, and culturally significant tool that promotes hair health, beauty, and self-expression. By reducing breakage, retaining moisture, and simplifying daily care routines, these styles help individuals achieve longer, stronger, and healthier hair. Additionally, their ability to shield hair from environmental damage and heat makes them an essential component of any hair care regimen. Whether worn as a cultural statement, a time-saving solution, or a way to explore creative expression, protective hairstyles offer numerous benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Until next time, bye.